Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Kritika's V. I am Kritika, and in today's video I'm going to share my honest experience about my college Shema, KSA Medical Academy. And I'll be talking about everything from academics, attendance, fees, language barrier and many more. So if you're interested in joining this college or you just want to know what student life is like here, so this video is for you. So let's get started. Okay, so first up, academics. Academic environment here at Shema is really solid, and the professors are very experienced, helpful, and approachable. And the thing I love the most is the classes here are very scheduled, so the classes don't get cancelled randomly. And so you don't have to worry about कि college आए and class भी नहीं हुई. Talking about the hospital, you don't have to worry about the hospital patient flow because our hospital is a charitable hospital, so all kinds of people come here, and the patient flow is really good for MBBS students. So now let's talk about attendance. Our college is very strict about attendance, so there is a criteria and you need to fulfill that criteria, otherwise you don't get to sit for your university exams. So, and the criteria is 75% attendance in theory and 80% attendance in practical classes is compulsory. So bunking is not really an option here. Now, so talking about pass-fail system, so yes, there is a pass-fail system here, and for exams to qualify for university exams, you need to score either 50-50 in theory and practical exams, or you can have the 40 and 60 for theory and practical exams. And like just doing well in one exam will not be accepted. You have to balance both in theory and practical, otherwise you don't get to give your university exams. So talking about the holidays, guys, unfortunately we don't get holidays. We do get like 15 days break after our second session and university exams, and 1 or 2 day holiday on the major festivals like Holi, Diwali. But other than that, we don't get any holidays. So well, that is how it is. Okay, so now talking about the next most asked question, campus life and events. So Shema has a very chill and friendly campus vibe, and about 50 to 60% students in each batch are North Indians. And the best part, there is no cultural discrimination. So whether you're a North Indian or a South Indian, you'll feel equally welcome here. And now, events. We don't have massive fests like other colleges, but we do have smaller events, and they're super fun and feel more personal, to be honest. Also, the faculty actually participates in our events like cultural and sports events, so that just makes the teacher-student bond even more stronger. Okay, so talking about hostel life and girl safety. Now, for all the girls watching, yes, Shema is very safe, and the campus and the surrounding areas are very peaceful. It is a little secluded from the city, but it's safe. And in the initial days, you will have very less timing outside, so you have to go back to hostel immediately after the classes end. But later on, the timing hostel curfews will increase up to 8 to 9 p.m. And the library here is open till 11 p.m. So if you like studying late, like me, that's perfect. Next question, and one of the most common question that I get is there a language barrier in the college? So in classes, no, because all the classes are conducted in English, so you don't have to worry about language barrier over there. But yes, in community postings and hospital OPDs, you will face some problems if you don't know the local language, that is Kannada and Tulu. And but over time, you will pick up the language, so you don't need to worry about that. If you learn the language, even the basics, you will be able to manage it. And personally, even I am a North Indian, so I also faced a little bit problem in the community postings this year. But I'm trying to learn the language. So if you guys also learn the language, you will be just fine. Next is infrastructure. The infrastructure is really good overall. The lecture hall, lab, demo rooms, everything is very well equipped. And there is a very nice central library and a very good gym. So the campus is very good and it's very clean. So there's nothing to complain about here. So now coming to the fee structure, and I know it's a very important aspect if you're planning to take an admission here. So the fee structure is as follows. In first year you will have to pay 17 lakhs 84,500 rupees. In second year, third year and fourth year you will have to pay 17 lakhs 78,000 rupees each. And in final year you will have to pay 8 lakh 99,000 rupees. It is definitely on the higher side, but considering the academics, exposure, and support that we get from the teachers, I personally feel it is worth it. And apart from these expenses, you will have some extra expenses. For example, we have something called as logbooks. So you will have to pay extra to get those logbooks, and you are not allowed to enter classes without those. You have to buy that. So that is one extra charge. Apart from that, there is not a lot of extra charge that our college takes compared to other private colleges who take a lot of hidden charges, if you know what I mean. Okay, so the last and the main question is hostel life. So I know many of you are very curious about hostel life, food, fees, daily routine, but I'm going to cover all of that in a separate detailed video. And so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss that. So that was my full review of life with Shima, everything from academic, attendance, exams, and culture. And if you still have any questions left, drop them down in the comment section below and I'll try to reply to them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who's planning to come into Shema, and of course, subscribe for more real student life content. See you in the next video.